One. Hello guys, and welcome back to our third video. So, today I'm going to be doing a review on all the Bambu Labs 3D printers. As you see, I'm on the Bambu Labs website. And hopefully this video will turn out better. I actually have an editing software. I did have an editing software last time, but I didn't use it. So, we're going to start with the A1 Mini. With the A1 Mini base model. This is very good for the A1 Mini is very good for beginner level 3D prints. It's currently on a back order right now, as you see, at the time of recording this. It's plug and play, takes 20 minutes to set up, and you can link it to your Bambu Studios and your Bambu Handy app. And compared to the other ones, compared to the base A1 that has 40% off filaments, this has 35%, and then you can get some accessories for it. It's very small, great if you want to have a 3D printer for on the go. And then we'll do our next 3D printer. Where is it? Yeah, I can't read. So, we're going to now review the A1 combo. Of course, it's a little more expensive than the original A1 Mini, but you actually get multicolor printing compared to just one color. So, same build volume, same everything. You get multicolor printing. It's still plug and play. It's just you have to build the AMS lit. 35% off filaments to exclusive discount for accessories. A whole bunch of stuff. It's definitely more expensive. Usually the A1 Mini is about $300. This is $329 right now. $459 usually. So yes. Multicolor printing, plug and play, active flow rate compensation, full auto count, and this 3D printer, and this has a tangle sensor, so if your filament while your filament's going through this, it will detect if it's tangled, or the printer will. Camera, not that great. I mean, it's just designed so you can check in on your prints. It's not designed so like for you to watch it. They all have some stuff: purge wiper, build plate, PFTE tube, filament sample. Yeah, and then and then you have to build it. So yeah, I would recommend getting the A1 Mini. The A1 Mini with AMS Lite rather than their normal A1 Mini. But if you already have the AMS Lite if you already have an A1 with the AMS Lite or the A1 Mini with an AMS Lite, I'd get the A1, the original A1 Mini. They're both the same, just you can actually multicolor print. And we'll go on to our next printer, which is the A1. Now, this is the best if you want a second 3D printer. $399 with the $300 with the combo. Usually $599, and $399 with just the A1. So they are You can buy the AMS Lite separately if you really want to. You don't need to. So this is best if you already have like another 3D printer and you want a second 3D printer, and so you want a second 3D printer, I'd recommend getting it. If for like a second 3D printer, they both have a handle, they both have a purge wiper. They're all great. They're all good. This is the A1 is way more expensive, and I'd much rather, if I were you, I'd much rather get the A1 Mini as the first 3D printer. But this is good if you want like a secondary 3D printer, like a second 3D printer to use. Over 1 million models on Make World. Plug and play. You still have to assemble it a little bit, but it's not too hard. It has almost the same perks as the A1 Mini, but just more, just a little more. Just I don't know what the word is, but yeah. So same specs, a little wider, but it does have a wider build volume. It's all metal, stainless. Yeah, if you want to check it out, go to the Bambu Lab store. And we'll head to our next 3D printer, which is the H2D. Dual nozzle, multi-material. You can buy laser full combo, or just the H2D. So this is best if like if you want to have a print farm and like you want like some printers that this printer is pretty fast, almost as fast as the A1 and the A1 Mini, a little faster. The A1 Mini and the A1 are a little slower, and it's pretty big. It's $2,000, as you can see, about $2,000, usually $2,300. It's pretty expensive. You can see all of its specs here. Well, yeah, it's very, and I mean very expensive. So, dual nozzle. So, it has a dual nozzle, so instead of flushing every time it wants to change colors, if you have a print with 4 colors, it only flush 2 times compared to if you have a 1 nozzle 3D printer, it flushed 4 times. So yeah, this is the A1 fast and efficient multicolor printing. Takes 17 hours for this. It's pretty quick and easy. Has a laser, so you can laser cut wood. It can do all that. You can draw with a pen if you want it to. You can 3D print, do all that. Yeah, it has a lot of features. So if you want this for like a 3D printer farm, or you want like it for laser cutting, get it. It's good. 35%. Oh yeah, I was incorrect, but yeah, you can get some accessories. That's what it looks like. It's a pretty good 3D printer. And now we'll go on to the next 3D printer, which is the H2S. This is essentially just the H2D, but it's smaller and doesn't have it still does have the way cheaper. It doesn't have as big as a print volume. Yeah, it's good if you want it. Honestly, it's great for like a not too expensive 3D printer, and like you just want something that's good quality. So get this 3D printer if you want that. It does. I'm pretty sure it does not have dual nozzle. No, it does not. So it's still good. It has all the same stuff as the H1D, the H2D, but it's just a little. It's just cheaper, and yeah, it has all the same features. It's just cheaper, and still it doesn't have the same features. But yeah, that's the H2S. Now we'll go to the next 3D printer, which is the P2S. It's $549. The combo is $799. A 5-inch touchscreen, anti-failure detection, auto flow dynamics. It has all that. Multicolor printing, cold air cooling. It has all that. And it does not have color. It does not have laser cutting though. It's best if you want like the P1, but you don't want to have the price of it, and you just want like a nice 3D printer that you can use. It has big build volume. I would get this. If you're trying to start a printer farm, get it if you really want to. I'm not stopping you. It's just I'm doing a review. Personally, I might buy it. I mean, it's the exact same price as the its base form is just this exact same price as the A1 with the AMS light when it's not on sale. Honestly, I'm not gonna get it. It's just too expensive for me. And yeah, you get it. Get it if you really want to, but yeah, I recommend it. And then all Bambu Labs 3D printers are really good. Oh, and then there's this that get up to $300,000 to bring your ambition to life.
10 years ago, I went to this museum, had the idea to build a machine that would play music with marbles. I was like, bam.
Yeah. So, let's make it fun. So like, yeah, that's what that is. It's just, you can get like up to 30. And then this is the H2C, which is the, essentially the original 3D printer that Bambu Labs make. Exclusive discount, filament. You can get all this filament though. Right now, I would not recommend getting because it's all sold out. It has laser cutting. So you can get it with laser 40 watt. Yeah, you can get it with laser cutting. It's all great. It's a good 3D printer. I mean, I would recommend it if you would want like a 3D printer that's expensive and has almost the same. That has a pretty big a pretty big build volume. Not as big as some 3D printers, but I personally would not get it. I mean, I just feel like it's too expensive. I just feel like it's too expensive. If you want to get it, great. Go ahead. Do it. I'm not stopping you. This is my opinion. I know nobody likes opinions anymore. It's dumb. But yeah. So, you can I would recommend getting this if you want like something nice to do. If you want to have like something nice to have 3D printed. It'd be cool if you really wanted it. Yeah, that's my opinions on the 3D printers. I hope you liked our video. And have a great day. Bye.